Pineapple juice is 5 times more effective than cough syrup. Did you know that pineapple juice is 500% more effective at helping you to stop coughing than cough syrup is? Well, it's true, and it's all on account of the fact that fresh pineapples contain a substance known as bromelain, a specific type of enzyme that has anti-inflammatory characteristics which can combat infections and eradicate bacteria. Half your daily dose of vitamin C. 1 glass pineapple juice also contains nearly half the amount of vitamin C that you require per day. Vitamin C is essential because, as well as many other uses, it also enables your body to metabolize certain vital enzymes that regulate your metabolism and manage energy. A great source of manganese. In addition to containing bromelain and vitamin C, pineapple juice is also a good source of the mineral manganese, which helps your body to maximize its absorption of calcium, aids the metabolization of carbohydrates and fats into energy, as well as facilitating healthy nerve function. Bromelain is a powerful anti-inflammatory. It is also assumed that a certain amount of the bromelain in pineapple juice is absorbed by the body directly, and that it works to lessen inflammation, helping to relieve conditions like arthritis. In Germany, bromelain is specifically approved for treating inflammation and swelling of the nose, typically post-sinus surgery. Choosing unprocessed natural pineapple juice instead of processed cough medicines. If you've got an annoying cough that is simply caused through an irritation or is brought on by the common cold, you'll do yourself far more good by reaching for natural pineapple rather than an OTC cough medicine. You'll find the juice a less expensive option, one that doesn't contain any nasty toxic elements, and one which has the appropriate nutrients to help you to get rid of your cold. Taking pineapple juice doesn't just help to soothe the irritation of nasty coughs, it also helps to loosen up any annoying mucus. Back in 2010, some research was carried out in an attempt to find treatments to help sufferers of tuberculosis. The findings of the reports were published in Pharmacopoeia, and they included the fact that a mixture of natural pineapple juice, together with honey, and salt and pepper, when taken daily helps to dissolve mucus that congregates in the lungs, causing illnesses such as Mycobacterium tuberculosis. A faster-acting cough relief. More recent studies have concluded that extract from natural pineapple juice gets rid of mucus 5 times quicker than other OTC cough medicines on sale in pharmacies, thereby helping people suffering from accumulations of mucus to recover 4.8 times faster than those taking conventional medicines. Why not juice your own? Some pineapple juice that is on sale can include added sugar, so if you are watching your diet and managing your weight, it's best to go for the natural unsweetened variety, which you'll find on sale in most good supermarkets. Better still, and great for any holistic health lifestyle lovers, if you got a juicer in the house, why not buy fresh pineapples and make your own juice? Quick and easy pineapple juice-based cough remedy. Here's a recipe to help you to knock together your own wholly natural pineapple juice cough mixture. 1 cup of fresh pineapple juice, preferably home-juiced. Some fresh lemon juice, approximately 1/4 cup. A small piece of ginger, about 3 inches long. 1 tablespoon of unprocessed honey. Half a teaspoon of hot cayenne pepper.